Hello to my Peppa lover readers. Welcome back. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig Digging Up the Road. Let's read.
Booktube Kids.
It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and her family are driving to the playground. Is everyone ready? Asks Daddy Pig. Yes, shouts Peppa and George. Then off we go, says Daddy Pig. Peppa and George love going to the playground. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has stopped the car. Why have you stopped? Asks Peppa. We are in a traffic jam, says Daddy Pig. George starts to cry. He wants to go to the playground. Don't worry, George, the traffic is moving now, says Daddy Pig. Stop! Shouts Mr. Bull. Mr. Bull has stopped the traffic again. What's the problem, Mr. Bull? Asks Mommy Pig. Mwah! We are digging up the road, shouts Mr. Bull. Look, says Peppa, there's water coming out of the ground. Yes, there's a broken pipe under the road and we are going to fix it, says Mr. Bull. Will it take long? Asks Mommy Pig. It will take as long as it takes, says Mr. Bull. First, Mr. Rhino digs a hole in the road with his digger. Digger, digger, cries George. George likes diggers. Next, Mr. Bull turns the water off and a crane lifts out the ore pipe. Then the crane puts in the new pipe. Crane, crane, cries George. George likes cranes. Thank you for showing us your work, Mr. Bull, says Mommy Pig. No problem, says Mr. Bull. Mr. Bull changes the traffic lights to green and off they go. Oh dear, George starts to cry again. He doesn't want to leave Mr. Bull. But we are going to the playground, George, says Peppa. You can play diggers and cranes in the sand pit, says Mommy Pig. And we will see Mr. Bull again on our way home, adds Daddy Pig. George stopped crying. He likes going to the playground, especially when he can play diggers and cranes in the sandpit with Richard Rabbit and Edmund Elephant. Peppa and George have lots of fun at the playground. George, it is time to go, says Mommy Pig. George starts to cry again. He doesn't want to go home. Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig, Peppa and George set off in their car. "Mom, stop!" shouts Mr. Bull. "Is the water pipe broken again?" asks Peppa. "No, this time it's a faulty electrical cable," says Mr. Bull. "How do you mend a faulty clacketic cable?" asks Peppa. "We dig up the road, of course," says Mr. Bull. "Hooray!" cheers Peppa and George. Everyone loves it when Mr. Bull digs up the road. The end. I hope you loved today's story. If you want to listen to more stories, please subscribe my channel. I will catch you soon again. See you all. Bye-bye.
BookTube Kids.